We have some breaking inputs coming in. अरविंद केजरीवाल को आज राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट के सामने पेश किया जाएगा. उनका मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन हो चुका है. Sabyasachi is getting us more details on that. Sabyasachi, so Arvind Kejriwal will now be produced before the Rouse Avenue court. That of course is the next step. एक व्यक्ति को अरेस्ट करने के बाद मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन और उसके बाद कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करना होता है.
Well, absolutely. This would be the next step from the Enforcement Directorate to produce Mr. Arvind Kejriwal to the Rouse Avenue Court. Now it would be decided after the Supreme Court hearing whether Mr. Kejriwal would be produced physically or he would produced virtually, because in several areas of the national capital, protest has been called in by the Aam Aadmi Party. So looking at the development, the Enforcement Directorate would be taking this decision later in the day. But all eyes would be on the Supreme Court urgent hearing that is going to take place today, because last night itself the Aam Aadmi Party Council had moved the Supreme Court for an urgent hearing to squash Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. Meanwhile, we are reporting live from outside the Enforcement Directorate office here in the national capital. You can see the entire area has been completely cordoned off. Security personnel has been increased. Section 144 has been imposed out here. And looking at the current situation where protests could be seen in different parts, Section 144 has also been imposed out here. Now, from the sources, what we got to know that today morning itself, the questioning of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal would begin here in the Enforcement Directorate office. He would be questioned by the assistant directors, and it will be supervised by the deputy director himself. So clearly a lot of developments are taking place, and last night, as we know, that the Enforcement Directorate had arrested Mr. Kejriwal, and they had brought him here at the Enforcement Directorate headquarters. Late in the night, the team of doctors had reached here to conduct the medical examination of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal.